My fruit and vegetable cleaner is finally here. This is a kitchen gadget that everybody must have. Rinsing my fruit and vegetables with just tap water isn't enough anymore. Not only can this purify my vegetables and fruits, it can also wash your meats and much more. Definitely a healthier way to take care of my family's nutrition. Now, some benefits to using this is extending my fruits and vegetables shelf life. Me and my family are guilty of not eating our fruits fast enough, so I'm excited for that. It is also very easy to use. It is rechargeable, and all you need to do is press one button. Hold on. This waterproof fruit washer and produce cleaner can clean your vegetables in just 10 minutes. Just press the button and add it into your bowl. Watching these little bubbles are so satisfying. It is lightweight and portable, also has a rechargeable battery. It can be used 15 times after a full charge. With fruit wash time of 10 minutes each time. It's compact enough to be tossed easily inside any bag. Great to take with you on your next picnic. Also, it makes a perfect gift, especially with Mother's Day right around the corner. It also saves you time to clean your produce. If you haven't added this to your Amazon cart, what are you doing?